watching Rista'S, we can't do it.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You.
Shall mash up him phone. Think I waterproof, a joke. If I take one hot girl picture for me and hottest thing, the picture don't come up good and him phone mash up. So good friends, Rista'S, very cool. by S Point Ultra. Rich friend, come rob them.
Yeah, wicked. Yeah, wicked.
So yeah, my birthday next week.
Same by himself a new phone. That's why we not have no video people. Everything
Yeah,
just
the video
gone.
No, we're supposed to get it because the guy saying restore it. I'm saying get it back. So hopefully we can get the videos from it, edit it and put it up and stuff. But you know, that is my treat to myself. And you know, once I always put a treat to myself, I have to have a treat for she too. You understand? So yeah, so next week on
So
my
why
birthday,
treat for me?
next week on my birthday, and she said to me, say, this time I shall cook him more every little thing. I'm going to say, where? Since we treat myself, no, our face long become more.
No, we're not saying so that's a bad night.
No, bad. But yeah, so I went and got her hair. That's the session one. Hey,
shall we keep it? How she said she sell it?
Yeah.
No, man call her. Shall we keep it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
So she said she wants her.
Hey.
I don't know where to take it out.
Yeah, shall we keep it?
So we need to take it out.
Woo!
Good ear.
Hey! Yeah, we keep him. She not answer. Mr. Trace are good, I reckon. Yeah, wicked Shaniqua. You is a wicked. Where is it? Me say you is a wicked. You sell bands the ear, and I go like say you never sell.
It
ain't
ain't
poor.
No,
I
you.
said to them, Trace are no come. I said to her, I said, Shaniqua, where the ear them I don't see it. And she said she sell it, and I show me message, and I look in her phone like somebody really buy the ear, and nobody no buy
So
the
yes,
ear.
yes. So I'm a treat to me, treat to myself. I shall forget the treat as well. Chasing that ear.
How much is it?
I mean, like that's how I go all that jewelry stuff, man. Curfew.
Oh, curfew.
So yes, guys. Peace out. We're gonna get the videos for Coral. Don't worry yourself, guys. Stay tuned.
So Rista'S crush the potato, you know? Yeah. That's a potato for crush. Set for boil. Soft. Nice.
You know what's it from? It's not the sweet potato mash. I don't like Irish again.
Irish just bland. I don't do Irish potato
I
mash.
really like it.
And she's gonna use garlic spread.
Yeah.
You know, we poor people use butter. But my friend, I use garlic spread.
I mean, I can use butter, but
You know, the garlic spread have a better
yeah, better taste.
flavor. And this garlic spread you can get anywhere. But me know my friend shop a Price Smart.
Price Mart get that one there?
Eh?
Even if a Price Mart get that one there. My sauce that shop.
Let me say.
With a ball in it today.
If a ball, I'm not telling no lie.
S21 Ultra. Fix it, Jesus. Fix it.
Yo, a while ago, I looked through this and realized, looking at this, sister, the case itself.
Well, the case crack.
I swear to God, I tap my phone as well.
I see S21 a while ago, you know. Good. I know what the banner for me, that's just secure with that banger. Me came out with my friend, you know. And them big setup here.
I don't know the thing set one.
A buffet.
Yeah.
So the sauce are going now, people.
There you have it, guys. That is my raspberry chicken with mashed potato and vegetables. So, now the hard part, because they're going to judge me, okay? So I'm going to stay tuned for that.
And guys, you hear it, so stay tuned. We'll judge the 3 years. So this is going to come like roommates.
Yeah.
And the man say, blood on the chicken man.
So, follow me, I already, put
But
out
my
them
friend
mat.
food look good already,
And
so she
everything.
gets 10 out of 10 for presentation.
So I'm gonna put their food on the table and I'm gonna give them the fork and everything. And of course, my car obedient I will give him because he tell him to feed them first. So I'm gonna bring it go give him.
Guys, don't watch some of me because my hairline gone from the wig. And it look weird because my bun up from the hotel. Okay, so?
Yeah,
Brown and doing some black. So it look like we can go some.
Yeah, and because I did have on the wig, you know, and you're going at the sun.
And then through the headband, the tie around it. Right, so. And the mark arm around it. And someone look like a man. Like, no.
No, sir.
But we're going to rate my friend's food.
Yay.
So she gave us, as you guys know before, chicken breast in her special raspberry sauce with mashed sweet potato, lettuce and tomato. Okay, and a nice cranberry juice right here, so. And guava pineapple right over there, so. With water in awfully 2 cups. So waiting on me.
Go on. One thing is it.
So who I go
So
first?
we'll eat first. Who I eat first? The potato?
I mean, you decide. I mean,
I eat the potato first, and then we eat the chicken. Because we not make it too long, we just like it quick and spicy, and then we're going to enjoy our food and things. So the potato first.
Potato? When you potato this?
We're not eating all.
Smooth.
It's good.
Smooth.
Yeah, taste the garlic spread. Yeah, taste the parsley. Yeah, taste everything.
Smooth one.
It tastes good.
Bonds where you taste?
I'm tell you what taste like the onion.
You taste onion?
Onion from the garlic spread.
Oh, onion and the garlic spread? I'm not sure.
Let's see. Yes. Onion in there.
Oh,
Tastes tastes good.
Taste butter.
okay.
This is butter.
Garlic spread tastes butter.
butter.
Anyway,
It's good.
I'm gonna taste the chicken now.
No, I taste the lettuce.
Do you like them or it's fresh?
Alright.
Fresh.
Well, I don't want to taste lettuce.
Lettuce fresh.
Oh, we're gonna taste the chicken now.
Yo, the sauce strong, man. Well on there.
Not strong.
What you mean to the lettuce?
Oh.
Ready?
Off the bone.
Off the bone. Off the bone. It's soft. Tastes good. Like the chicken. Seasoned right through. It's seasoned.
Tastes grilled.
It tastes like it grilled?
Yeah. Tastes really good.
And kind of jerky.
Now take a next piece.
Kind of jerky finish, you know?
So what do you think about the sauce itself?
It tastes
Sauce.
good.
The
In a
sauce?
sweet and in a sour.
Sour. Yeah, just right.
It's in the middle. You know?
Tastes good. The chicken, season, may I taste Maggi. May I taste everything.
Can I say something to you?
And the Maggi
No.
is one.
You're
Salt and pepper.
Alone?
Yup.
How?
Everything is in the sauce. Everything is in the sauce.
The Maggi and the sauce?
No Maggi is in the sauce.
So all your chicken, what you want to look?
I have a garlic. I have a garlic. Well, when you guys watch the video, you'll see exactly what I put in it. But everything in the sauce. The only thing that's on the chicken is salt and pepper.
Like Maggi, like you season it up.
I don't taste it yet.
It's like a whole heap of seasoning.
Season and
Really?
I could never salt and black pepper alone.
Serious?
This tastes like
Well,
a heap of season.
Well, I don't know. When I watch the video,
You know the Creole season of foreign? That's how it tastes.
really? Me not taste it all now. Me not know if it's
We don't
salt,
taste it.
spicy, nothing.
Inside, right, so taste like called season.
See,
So.
exactly, that's what I say
That's
it tastes
what
right.
the-
You know,
this-
like you that eat chicken
The white
breast.
part, eh?
You know, you eat chicken breast and only the outside alone have flavor. This have flavor in the middle
Right
part
through.
too.
Wow.
But that's a
What's
lie.
to do this?
Okay.
It tastes nice, no?
What's to do this?
Now what I come talk about here, they can't do the chicken roast that we can't do it. They are caught chicken breast, they have to go out to do it. My mom them style, you know. They can't try that chicken roast that out. They don't know what roast that is.
They say, man.
It's good. You mash potato with the sauce.
I forget the chicken again, people.
You know, them on the recipe that I was using, they were saying that I'm supposed to use some adobe, some pepper, something. But
I'm not taste the pepper. Even though I put a
yeah, get a little.
oh scotch bonnet in them, I'm not taste it.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
just.
first it. You taste pepper? I'm not tasting it now.
But it have a little. It spice just right, you know, too much over the top. Yeah, so.
It's a farming food.
President can hire me. Catering.
When you eating, you do like this. You know, slap them up on the fork and wipe off everything. So then, my friend food,
Sauce good, man.
I give her, as I tell her, 10 out of 10 for presentation. The chicken, 15 out of 10. Like, I forget more than the 10. You can't just get 10. Chicken tastes really good. And the potato can get 10 out of 10. Because the potato is regular, but the chicken, bad.
Sauce.
So she said she gonna put down in the description how she do it. So just make sure it's on the follow. And if I really black pepper and stuff, my friend can cook. Me not tell no lie.
Black pepper sauce, eh?
And the next thing, it no season overnight. But just put it on it and do it same
No
time.
man, I have ready sure.
I mean, they are just magic over there.
Over 3 days for the jerk chicken.
No, I mean, you know, some chicken you have it definitely because you want your season for soaking it and everything. But I mean, most of the seasoning did in the sauce. I put it.
It tastes really good. So you know, so the video with camera rate, go check it out if you not check it out. My friend husband never tell me like, my friend deserve a ring. Deserve it. Come on. Friend deserve a ring.
It's done.
No little in there for rinse it. Guys, we love me up. We finished, people. Deliciosos. There we go.
Delicioso.
Chocolate clean, greedy.
I know me already. I know you try new things. I know you try sauce and them something there. But it tastes really good. Trust me.
Friend, have a
Kemar slap my feet more and done.
my friend have a buzz, the food it tastes good people. My plate clean. Or my potato ready so. Now let's not talk to them.
Hold on, remember lettuce also.
Not for them. Have a little juice.
This is good man. Rista. So why you get the ring, you know? Because I want to make sure that when I concrete I have a ring on at all times. But at night time she go up, she take it out, so you don't say you never get to concrete.
Really?
Rista said she don't take off her ring at night. She's sleeping in, she's bathing in, she do everything. But you keep on taking it out, so you kind of, you know? Yeah. Just pull me. Yeah, pull me back this and yeah, pull me up this one.
You know I'm not sleeping at once.
Yeah.
Why we be the old?
You probably wake up in the morning and see a wedding in front of you.
Yeah. But guys, it was good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You're gonna go over to the Bailey Coast and watch the video from the start to the end. For no or forget the chicken. Tastes like I've seasoned on it when I put salt and pepper.
I don't believe that one.
You don't believe? I'm gonna watch it for no. So if you go over there, go watch it and tell me if I like shit. But you say she put something else on it, some more garlic thing. But I'm not telling like it tastes so.
No, them garlic something I talk about, it's in the sauce. The only thing I put on the chicken is salt and black pepper. That's it. And you will see it in the video. Me don't talk. Yeah, me don't talk. Real, me don't talk.
But it tastes good. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend about becoming the banks. Even though we're not post consistent. Don't leave me, don't leave me. Stay with us. Big up on the side.
Remember, watch out the ads.
Leave